What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to play Tomarket app on your Telegram. For that, all you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing is go to the Telegram application. If you don't have it, don't worry. All you can do is to go to the Play Store and search Telegram, and you will see the Telegram option over here. All you have to do is to install it. Once you will install it, open it up. So once you will open it up, you will see some menu like this one. So all you have to do is to go to the top right corner where the search icon is, and you have to search Tomarket app. So here you can see that there are 30 million monthly users of Tomarket application, and all you have to do is to tap on it. Once you will tap on it, you will be redirected to the Tom application Telegram channel. So here you will see an option which says Tomarket, play Tomarket. So once all you have to do is to tap on play Tomarket button. I will also attach the Tomarket application affiliate link to the video, and you will find it in the description below. So all you have to do is to tap on it once you have the Telegram account, and you will be redirected to the Telegram Tomarket application. So let's just wait a few seconds till the application totally boots up. Here's the loading. So here you will see that the listing of TNG TGE is coming in the October, so be ready for it. And here you can play the Tomarket game now. It's very simple and easy. So I hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.